person right now. Fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sag, no? So, yeah, let's see. Love situation, tignan natin. So, forget me so you can be happy, no? So, parang meron dito, no? For some of you, may nagle-let go rito, may nagpaparaya, no? Something like that. And what else? Please, but then, no, please accept my true love for you, no? So, kumbaga sabihin natin, no, itong tao na ito, no, ay mahal ka talaga niya, no? But then, ang nakikita ko rito, no, tanggap niya, no? Tanggap niya kung hindi mo siya i-accept, no? Kasi gusto niya maging masaya ka, no? Something like that. But then this person is still hoping, no, na sana